Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wanted to make your rice extra special? Coconut rice is a wonderful way to do just that. It's incredibly aromatic, offering a subtle sweetness and a delightful creamy texture. This tropical side dish pairs perfectly with many meals, like curries or grilled fish. It even stands alone as a comforting treat. We'll walk you through preparing this delicious rice, making it simple and straightforward for anyone. To get started, let's gather just a few key ingredients. First, grab some good quality long-grain white rice. Jasmine or basmati works beautifully here. Then, the star of the show, full-fat coconut milk. This is crucial for achieving that authentic creamy texture and wonderful flavor. You'll also need a small amount of water and just a pinch of salt to balance everything out. That's really all it takes for such a flavorful dish. Our first step is important for perfect rice. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your chosen rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy, separate grains later. Next, gently heat your full-fat coconut milk in a saucepan with a pinch of salt. Bring it to a very gentle simmer over medium heat. We just want it warm and ready to go. Now for the cooking magic. Once your coconut milk is gently simmering, carefully add in the rinsed rice. Give it just one good stir to combine everything. Then, immediately reduce the heat to low and cover the pot tightly with a lid. Let it cook undisturbed for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the liquid is absorbed. This quiet time allows the rice to become perfectly tender and infused with flavor. Resist the urge to peek, as that traps the steam inside. After cooking, the final touches are simple. Remove the pot from heat, but keep the lid on, letting it rest for about 10 minutes. This allows steam to redistribute, making the rice perfectly fluffy. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork, being careful not to mash it. Your perfectly cooked, aromatic coconut rice is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm alongside your favorite dishes for a delightful tropical twist and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.